Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear nursery class, here we are with our new lesson number 8 of our book My Word. Date is 2nd of January 2021 and day is Saturday. Let's open your book. Look at the topic. Topic is clothes and accessories. Do you remember that in our previous lesson we have learned about the name of different clothes and accessories? We have learned the name of winter clothes like gloves, scarf, shoes, woolen cap, trousers, cardigan, socks, mittens. And teacher has told you the difference of gloves and mittens. And we have also learned the name of some summer clothes like t-shirt, shorts, skirt, slippers, cap, hat, frock. And at the page number 46, here again we can see the pictures of that clothes and accessories. Our heading is cross out the odd objects in the given group. It's the sign of cross. This is the sign of tick and it's the sign of cross. Okay? And what we have to do there, नर्सरी क्लास, यहाँ पे हम जो क्लॉथ्स और एक्सेसरीज की पिक्चर्स देख रहे हैं उसमें जो ऑड वन है यानी जो डिफरेंट है उसको हमने क्रॉस करना है. ओके, एज हियर वी कैन सी a hat, a cap and a belt. We know that we wear hat and cap on our head. हम इसको सर पे पहनते हैं, हेड को भी, कैप को भी. But we wear belt to tie our pants. इसको तो हम सर पे नहीं पहनते ना. तो ये इन दोनों चीज़ों का फंक्शन तो सेम हो गया. ठीक है, and its function is different. So we will cross the odd one. The belt is odd like this. We have crossed out the belt. Okay, understand? Good. Now look at the next picture. Here we can see gloves, socks, mittens. Teacher has already told you the function of gloves and mittens, that we wear them in our hands. To warm our hands, we wear gloves and mittens, but we wear socks in our head. No, feet. We wear socks in our feet. Okay? तो इन दोनों का फंक्शन तो सेम हो गया कि हमारे हैंड्स को वार्म अप करते हैं. तो जो सॉक्स हैं वो हमें वार्म अप तो करती हैं बट हमारे फीट, हमारे पाँव को. ओके, दैट्स वाई द सॉक्स आर ऑड वन. ओके, क्लियर? गुड. हियर वी कैन सी अ फ्रॉक, shirt, shorts. We wear frock and shirts on our upper body. ठीक है, and we wear shorts in our legs. ये हमारी बॉडी के अपर पोर्शन को कवर करते हैं और जो शॉर्ट्स है वो हमारे लोअर बॉडी यानी हमारी लेग्स और एब्डोमेन के जो पार्ट हैं उसको कवर करते हैं. ठीक है. क्रॉस द shorts like this. Here we can see a pair of shoes, gloves, and again shoes. We wear shoes in our feet and gloves in our where? Yes, we wear gloves in our hands, feet and hand. Cross the picture of gloves like this. Okay, move forward. Here we can see a raincoat. You can see a raincoat or a upper with a hood. Here is another kind of a jacket, and here we can see a trousers. These dresses cover our upper body. हमारे जो जिस्म का ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है, ठीक है, उसको कवर करते हैं, उसको वार्म अप करते हैं. और जो ट्राउज़र्स है वो हमारे लोअर बॉडी यानी हमारी जो लेग्स हैं उसको कवर करता है. ठीक है. तो इन दोनों का फंक्शन तो क्या होगा? सेम हो गया ना. ठीक है. दे हैव स्लीव्स, दे हैव कॉलर्स. ठीक है. तो जो ट्राउज़र्स है उसका फंक्शन तो डिफरेंट हो गया. ठीक है. सो क्रॉस इट. Okay. Next, here we can see what is this? Tie. Here is a tie. Here is another tie. And this is a hat. We wear tie in our necks. Mostly boys use it, tie. And we wear hat on our head. Okay. We use them in our necks. ठीक है. हम इसको अपनी गर्दन में इसको रैप करते हैं, गर्दन के गिर्द. और जो हैट है उसको तो हम सर पे पहनते हैं. सो विच वन इज odd? Can you guess? Hat is odd. That's why we will cross it out. Okay. Next class you can see that we have completed our page. It's very easy to do. Hope you have learned the name of winter and summer clothes. Complete your page number 46. Take care. Allah Hafiz.